So today we're going to be talking about Golem, which is, the token that's like the second most searched token on CoinMarketCap. And well, there are about 11 million tokens out there. Now, over the last 24 hours, it's actually been the best performing token, which, makes sense when you look at it. 47% gains in just one day. 41% in the last 24 hours, and it's trading on perpetual futures. So today I'll be diving into it, and I'll explain my perspective on how I'm trading it right now. So let's get into it. Here we are, looking at Golem. You can see it right here. I'm personally trading it on BitGet, as you can observe here on BitGet. And just look at what Golem has done for us. For those of us on the team who are trading based on these vectors, you see here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator, which you can actually get through a discount. It's an indicator, a green vector, a red vector, a green vector, a red vector. When we get a green vector, that's our signal to buy, to enter a trade. A red vector signals a sell or to exit. So we get a green vector, we enter, we ride it up, we see a red vector, we exit. Then we see another green vector, we enter again, and we go up. You can see here, when we get a red candle, a reversal candle, you could have held that trade all the way. You reach the end, a reversal candle appears. So what's the value of that trade? Well, that particular trade alone brought in 37%. And then, according to my indicator, you exited with a 34% gain. Now, look where it bounced off of. It bounced directly off of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. We have a double top formation here, okay? The price is going up here, a double top, then it pulls back to the indicator. You see this? This is the new version of the indicator. In the previous versions, we didn't have these white lines, but now we do. We have breaks and then a break of structure. A green vector appears. The volume at that moment was quite high. It's a sell signal. It still remains a winning trade. It absolutely remains a winning trade. You enter on the green vector, you ride it up to the top, and you get a sell signal. That's about a 3% gain. And the real importance, is to be consistently making percentage gains every single day. All right? So let's zoom out to a larger time frame to get a better sense of the bigger picture. If you were looking at the 1-hour chart, that would have been a lot easier, in fact. But on the 1-hour chart, you would simply buy it in spot, purchase it at the bottom, ride it to the top, and sell. However, when we're in perpetual futures with 20x leverage, as is the case here, obviously it's much better to exit each time and capture those impulses each time. Because with 20x leverage,
so all you have to do is go right here to my Discord, navigate to the indicator section, the Discord server, and you'll be able to grab the Crypto-Quebec indicator completely for free. If you're interested in trading alongside me, as you can see, I have an 85% win rate on my trades. If you choose one of the platforms listed here, you just click this link, and I'll bring you into my team, the Crypto-Quebec team, where we currently have 555 members. And the results you see are genuine results from people who are trading with me. So if that interests you, you choose one of the platforms, you message me on Telegram, and I'll add you to the team. It's really that simple. For GLM, this is the type of trade setup you need. You need to be looking for a green vector on the daily chart. A green vector on the daily chart, what does that actually do? Well, it leads you upwards. A green vector on the daily chart leads you upwards. A green vector on the daily chart leads you upwards. So how much potential is there here? Well, from this point, it's about 126%, even 122%. So you can see everything you need to do is utilize the Crypto-Quebec indicator and specifically look for these green vectors. It's that easy. Now, if you're looking for more videos like this, I highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. I hope you found this video valuable. If you're interested in getting the Crypto-Quebec indicator, don't hesitate. The link is available on my Discord. And if you want to contact me directly, all the necessary information is provided at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.